Hello, I'm Jean Laberry. I'm from France and I'm the school owner and manager of Inlingua in La Rochelle in France. This is a language school which offers programs to international students, and we have a lot of pathways with many different partner schools. Well, we offer a global service for agents who want to start with promotion to offer studies in France. Why is it global? Because we offer at the same time language courses plus services for dealing with every aspect of the daily life in France, such as accommodation or delivering services from French administration. And also we are partners with more than 70 different schools offering bachelor's or master's degrees in different fields of studies, such as sommelier, culinary, hospitality, arts, fashion, marketing, engineering. So it's very large, and an agent can profit on our expertise on the French market to offer French as a new destination. At the very first time, they offer a large network and a lot of services. We are looking for active and serious agents. I explain what this means. Serious means that they answer our emails. If we are waiting for documents from them, for the students, they provide them in a short period of time. That is the quality to be serious. And that's easy, that's to be professional. And to be active means that to sign a contract is not enough for having the expertise of selling a new programs in a new country. We want agents to be active. That means that they need first to train their team for making the recommendation of new programs. That's a few hours of time, but this is compulsory. And also we regularly send newsletters with new information about new schools, new programs, and we would like our agents to be responsive. To answer our email and our campaigns. I like very much working with NET24 because the organization is at a human size. Aspect of relationship with the staff is very good. They are always smiling, but that's not a commercial smile. They really want to help and to make sure that everybody is doing good meeting and having the right contacts. So that's very, very important for me.